Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey fitness friends, today we are going to dive into the world of creatine. Creatine is one of the most popular and studied supplements in the world of exercise. But what is it? It is a natural substance found in small amounts in some foods and that our body also produces. Its main function is to help improve athletic performance and gain muscle mass. And how does it do that? Creatine helps us regenerate ATP, which is like gasoline for our cells. With more ATP, you will be able to train harder and for longer. Let's talk about dosage. It is normal to start with a loading phase of 20 grams per day, divided into 4 doses of 5 grams for about 5 to 7 days. Then, you switch to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day. It is important to take it with water and, if possible, after training. Like any supplement, creatine can have some side effects. Some users may feel a little bloating or muscle cramps. But don't worry, they are usually mild and uncommon. In any case, it is always a good idea to consult with a doctor before you start taking any supplement. In short, creatine can be a great ally in your workouts if you use it responsibly. Follow the dosage recommendations, pay attention to how you feel, and get training. See you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.